Hey friends, if you encounter the registry error, the blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then I have bad news for you. It is a very serious error and it means that the registry has been corrupted. So we will only try one solution, that is SFC scan. If it doesn't work, we will reset Windows. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to reset Windows, and how would you do that? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download, and this is how you will be able to reset Windows to its original position. Basically, you're reinstalling Windows from the cloud itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.